everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging from Amazon. And before I get into this, I just want to say hi and thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you are enjoying the videos, and please make sure you hit the like button because it does help out my channel. And if you're just passing through, please consider hitting the subscribe button because I'd really like to have you as whatever. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this unbagging. Had a loss of words there for a second. Alright, so this is a partial special drill, and it is poured glue. I gave $5.98 for this one, but it is a Peacock. Now, I've had a Peacock before, and it was a partial, and I have it in my bathroom. So this one will probably go in there too. But I just thought this one was really pretty. And it is a 30 by 40. And it has 14 different gems, crystals, whatever you want to call it. So it has a legend on the top left and on the bottom right. So let's look at your toolkit. Looks like we get two pins. One has a multiplacer on it, which I think that might be a 7. And then we get a squishy, a thing of wax, your green boat, and some baggies. Alright, so let's look at the drills. And it does have the canvas number on the drills. Okay, sorry, had a phone call, so I'm not even real sure what I even said. Alright, I think the last thing I said was the canvas number is also on the bag. So if you do these separate from the canvas, you'll know what goes with what. So we've got some clear, we've got some pinkish red, we've got some more pinkish red. These are like a very light peachy pink. Then we've got some gold. We have blue. We have a darker blue. And then another blue. And like an aqua. And like a teal. And then we have these that are dark blue, and y'all look at this. Aren't those pretty? There's these and these. These are a little bit greener, and these are a little bit bluer. But they're two different sizes. So aren't those pretty? And y'all know, if you've been following me, I get so excited when I have any of these left over. I just need some really good ideas of what to do with the leftovers of all of these. If y'all have any ideas, put it down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all do. Alright, so we'll just set those to the side. And I'm going to bring you down. And we're going to look at the drill field. Now, with this being a partial, the only thing that we do is where the symbols are, and that is very sticky. So none of this on the side, like right in here, none of this needs to be drilled. So there's no sticky glue on it, just the peacock and the flowers. But how pretty is his tail, y'all? And look at that, very clear. No issues at all with this. Very nice. And then the schematic, that's what it looks like. And there are 14. But very, very clear Very pretty. And I love the colors. They look really good. But what do y'all think? Have y'all done this one? I think it's really pretty, and I think it's going to look good in my bathroom beside the other one. Because the other one has got a lot of blue in it too. So, alright y'all. Well, this is just a quick video to show y'all what this one looks like. So, yeah. Just leave me a comment and let me know what y'all think. And until my next video, y'all. Oh, did I not? Yeah, I did tell y'all how much I'd give for this. $5.98. Okay. Alright, y'all. I guess till my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.